Hello. I just want to welcome everyone back. Yeah, just a little update. Obviously, we posted a video yesterday where we were talking about
Enter.
this potential. Welcome back to another video. Yeah, sorry, I don't know if there were some glitches there, but this is pretty much the plan we were looking at for yesterday. From yesterday, we were looking for this entry. Um, yeah, we called it out in this Discord. We were looking
Okay, we
here.
just saw a quick little.
The exact same entry at 19,348. It's the exact entry that we got today. You sort of can't make this shit up. We had this weekly, now an IS3 NPOC. It's been a respected weekly in the past. We had this fib down here. That was the original thing we were um, looking to enter on. Putting our stop loss below this NPOC in case we fell lower. Um, and yeah, I was really looking for this 1, 2, 3, 4 to set in a good low. Maybe claim something, have a back test of this fresh daily and NPOC that we literally made um, just a few hours ago. Who knows, maybe a back test coming up where we've had this inefficiency marked. I'm expecting some kind of sort of reaction at both these NPOCs. Whichever comes first is what we'll trade. But then I'm looking for at least a 50% fill on this inefficiency. Hopefully a 100 back test of the 50, and then maybe push lower. We're going to see how things run, but these are obviously highs that I do believe need to be taken out, and this inefficiency in the market. Um, I'm going to continue updating my team, obviously, um, the guys in the server for all these live updates so we can be winning these trades. If we do come in on a 5 minute and come over here on this smaller time frame, we put this low in, had a small bounce, and I don't know if it's a surprise to anyone, but we came right to the 618, where right at the 1-to-1. Look at that. You see the rejection again there. So this stuff is not. The proof is in the pudding. Let's just put it that way. Um, it was a fucking wonderful trade. We were reading the order flow the entire time, um, as well as our DOM. If we come take a look here at this low, yep, just a nice. Oh, another trade I was going to look at real quick for you guys was I was saying in my server that there was a potential for these swing failures, these highs after we were getting our bounce, right? So just to measure real quick, this has already been a 3% winner, 100% leverage, 300%. You just tripled your account with one trade. Let's just put it that way. This was you could have tripled your account with one trade. But yeah, let's see. So if we come here on the hour, or maybe it was the 30-minute. Yeah, we were coming up to these highs. I was saying how I was potentially looking at this high to get taken out or this high, and I said just watch for the swing failure pattern, wait for the reaction. 44 Digital Enterprises, we don't teach about setting limit orders. We teach about waiting for the reaction and to see how the order flow looks as we come to our levels, and this is a perfect example of why. As we were coming up to these levels today, yeah, the biggest thing I was looking for was the reaction, right? These are the highs. 19. Let's look at both of these. So 884, 884, 933, 884. So if we come over to, okay, 884, right here. So at this high, we saw it sort of getting contested a little bit. People obviously their stop loss is just above the high, and that is when the bulls push people out of the market, and we can see with all these red candles. Then we come to 993. We were just plowing through it through these levels. People were putting their highs above this monthly open, and boom, we wicked through it with just a ton of liquidations. You can see this massive OI drop. Wow, that's amazing. Another massive OI drop. A bunch of good volume, a bunch of good volatility in the market today. Um, Now creating bearish CVD divergences, but that's just another thing we were looking at. I called a level. I said, you know the drill. Two important micro highs for a potential low time swing failure pattern We did not see the swing failure pattern. We plastered through those levels, which is why the trade was not taken. TPs have been made on our trades. We're going to continue slamming these charts. Join the Patreon before it's too late. Have a good night, everyone.